The make raster command in gCADPlus enables you to make an image of your design. You might use that image for the sake of argument on a website. The make raster command is selected from Tools and Make Raster, and you have a wide selection of different image files that you can produce. I would suggest JPEG images are probably the best format for putting a copy of your design onto a website, but if you are going to adjust the design in something like View or Photoshop, choose a TIFF file. For the moment we'll pick a JPEG image and we'll call this, what we're up to, pass 01B, so let's call this pass 02. It'll take us a while to get the image just the way we want it, and we'll save. So we're going to make a JPEG file. The next thing to consider is the resolution. By the way, I've got line weight turned on. The resolution is controlled in this box, and you might want to push the resolution. Say, let's try 600. That'll produce a very big image. Might be too big for gCADPlus. We do have to set a rectangle, and I'll say pick, and I need to set a rectangle to give me the whole sheet, which is what I'm doing now. I may well have missed the little bit at the bottom, but I'm pretty sure we'll have to do this again. So that gives us 10,000 pixels wide. So let's say OK. And the image file, we hope, is being made, and it's been saved in a folder called Scandinavia Pass 02. So we'll have a look at that JPEG image now. Here is the image file inside View. It's just a very excellent free image editor. And let's zoom in a little and see whether the resolution on the screen is suitable for our purpose. So I think that would look reasonable when placed on a website. So let's do just that. We'll create a web page and we'll put this image in, and we'll have a link to it so that anyone visiting the web page can see a thumbnail of the image and then this one. Well, here we are on a web page, and I put 2 copies of the image file that we just generated. So if I click on the first one, you can see this is the sort of view that your users would get. I can click on it, and it's reasonable resolution. Let me just close that one. A better idea might be to link the image to a PDF file, and that's what I've done here. And you can see now that we've got fairly good control. We can zoom in and we can see a crisper looking image than we had before. So producing image inside gCADPlus, that's a very quick and easy way to do it.